Welcome, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Laura Marino, a urologist, and today we're diving into a topic that many of you might be feeling a little curious about, or even a bit concerned. After the age of 70, many men start noticing changes in their bodies, changes that may affect their sexual health and confidence. You might begin to see a reduction in the size and firmness of your erections, perhaps notice excess skin where it wasn't before, or experience a subtle decline in sensitivity. These changes can feel unsettling, but the truth is, they're perfectly natural, and they're part of the beautiful journey of aging. But here's the good news. While these transformations are natural, they don't have to mean the end of a satisfying, vibrant, and active sexual life. In fact, there are safe, effective ways to strengthen your erections, preserve your intimate health, and feel just as confident and passionate as you did in your younger years. In this video, I'm going to guide you through these changes, offer you solutions that you can incorporate into your daily routine, and share some intimate tips to help you not just maintain, but revitalize your vitality. So grab a comfortable seat, relax, and let's talk about keeping your love life just as exciting and satisfying as ever. Before we dive in, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if this content resonates with you. It helps me reach more men just like you who need this kind of guidance. And comment with a 1 if you've ever noticed any of these changes, or a 0 if you haven't, so I can bring you content that truly speaks to your needs. Section 1. The beauty of aging. Gentlemen, let's be real, aging is a privilege. As we grow older, our bodies evolve, and that includes the delicate area between our legs. But these transformations, like the reduction in size or the loosening of skin, don't need to be a source of shame or frustration. In fact, they can be an invitation for deeper connection with yourself, your body, and your partner. First, let's talk about something that's common for many men over 70, excess skin. You might notice that your skin no longer feels as tight as it once did. This happens because over the years, the skin's ability to bounce back, to remain firm, begins to diminish. Collagen, the substance responsible for that youthful elasticity, decreases with age. The result? Looser skin, which in some cases can be mistaken for a condition like phimosis, where the foreskin doesn't retract fully. But I want you to understand this isn't phimosis, it's just the natural, graceful surrender of your skin to time. This change, while seemingly cosmetic, can sometimes lead to a feeling of discomfort. You might notice it more when you're naked or when you're intimate, but here's the thing, this doesn't affect your ability to enjoy sex. You can still experience pleasure, satisfaction, and all the beautiful sensations that come with intimacy. If the loose skin is bothering you, consider options like skin firming creams, treatments, or even a more dedicated grooming routine to help reduce irritation. These small adjustments can enhance your experience without feeling like you're fighting against nature. But remember, the ultimate goal is not perfection, it's embracing the beauty of your body at every age. Every wrinkle, every change, tells a story of your life, your passions, and the wisdom you've gained. Section 2. Restoring firmness and sensitivity. Let's talk about firmness and sensitivity, two aspects of your sexual health that often shift with age. As time passes, many men notice a subtle decline in how firm their erections feel. This is due to a combination of factors: reduced blood circulation, changes in the tissues, and yes, a decrease in those essential substances like collagen and elastin that once kept everything tight and responsive. Now, don't get discouraged. Yes, the skin may not bounce back like it used to, but that doesn't mean you can't achieve firm, satisfying erections. The key here is circulation. I know you've heard it before, but it's true. Exercise is the secret to maintaining that firmness and vitality. Cardiovascular exercise, in particular, gets the blood flowing and keeps your heart healthy. Not only does this help with erections, but it also plays a huge role in keeping your entire body feeling youthful and energized. You might also want to consider specific treatments. There are products designed to stimulate collagen production, tighten the skin, and improve overall elasticity. In-office therapies that stimulate circulation or promote skin regeneration are fantastic options, too. Let's also address a big concern: sensitivity. As we age, some men experience a loss of sensitivity, especially if they're dealing with conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. These conditions can reduce the flow of blood and affect nerve function, which may cause a dip in sensation. But don't worry, this isn't the end of the story. If you've noticed a decline in how sensitive your penis feels, you might want to consider natural ways to boost circulation, like herbal supplements or topical treatments designed to rejuvenate the nerves and improve sensitivity. And for those with more significant concerns, working with a doctor to adjust your medications or even explore medical devices designed to enhance sensation might be the right option. Section 3. Restoring fullness and vibrance. Now, let's get into something that many men notice as they age: reduction in size. It's an unfortunate truth for many men: age, weight gain, and poor circulation can result in a penis that looks smaller or feels less full during an erection. But don't let this discourage you. There are solutions. Weight management is one of the most effective ways to combat the hidden penis effect. As we age, our bodies tend to store more fat around the pubic area, making the penis appear smaller when it's not erect. Losing weight, especially around your belly, can reveal more of the penis, giving you back some of that lost confidence. You might also want to consider cosmetic procedures, such as liposuction in the pubic area, which can effectively reduce the fat surrounding the penis and restore its appearance. These treatments are highly effective for some men who want to regain their self-assurance. But remember, it's not about trying to turn back time, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Sexual health and satisfaction come from feeling at ease with yourself and your body, no matter how it's changed. Section 4. Keep the passion alive. So, how can you maintain a fulfilling sex life as you age? It's all about communication, self-care, and embracing your sexuality at every stage of life. The more you explore your own desires, your body, and your partner's needs, the more fulfilling your experiences will be. Using lubricants is one easy way to increase comfort and pleasure during sex, especially if you're experiencing dryness or reduced moisture production. Water-based lubricants are your best friend. They reduce friction and protect sensitive skin, making intimacy smoother and more enjoyable. Additionally, take time for yourself. Focus on relaxation, stress reduction, and creating moments of intimacy that go beyond just physical connection. Reignite the passion with your partner by exploring new ways to connect, whether through gentle touch, sensual massages, or discovering new intimate techniques that keep the connection fresh and exciting. Outro. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's conversation. Have you noticed any of these changes as you age? Or perhaps you're seeing something entirely different? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Your feedback is invaluable, and it helps me create content that truly speaks to your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, embracing change is part of living your fullest, most passionate life. With the right tools, the right mindset, and a little bit of self-love, you can continue to enjoy the pleasures of intimacy for many years to come. I'll be back soon with more tips on how to keep your sexual health vibrant and your connection to your partner even stronger. Until then, take care, and remember, age is just a number, but feeling confident is timeless.